welcome to the last video of the season. Airplane rankings. So you see all these are kind of stacked up right here. This one, remember, I went to the unknown. So I'm just going to take this. It's from its point. So I'm just going to keep on walking it. It's definitely taking second. This is the problem here. Chat. You know, this is fifth, right? Fifth, yeah. Problem here. We're going from the point, but, I mean, so I would say actually, this one, it takes fourth. This one, good boy. And this one takes third. And this one takes second. And this one takes first. My ranking was so right, bro. Woo! Do.